Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to project prime vertical, which is the first azimuth circle. Azimuths are angular directions marked at their intersection with the horizon in clockwise direction. Starting from the north is 0 degrees. Prime vertical is the first azimuth circle that passes through the zenith of an observer and intersects at the east and west points on the horizon circle. Prime vertical is the reference circle for other azimuth circles. So let's start. Draw climate circles is explained in the video of climate circles on a paper. As north is 0 degrees azimuth and markings of azimuths are done in clockwise directions, reverse the marking of north-south and east-west. Now draw a diameter passing through the center C, which makes an angle phi with the equatorial line for the observer at latitude phi. The 2 points of the diameter on the circumference of the celestial equator are the zenith and the nadir. The line segment perpendicular to these points is the horizon line. Let A be the south horizon point and B be the north horizon point. Draw the line segment from the point W to point A, intersecting the meridian line at point Z dash. It is the zenith point. Now draw a line segment from the point W passing through point B to the meridian line at point N dash. It is the nadir point. Z dash N dash is the diameter of the prime vertical. Draw a circle with the diameter Z dash N dash on the meridian line. As explained earlier, prime vertical will pass through the zenith and intersects the east and west points of the horizon circle. Now let's find the formula. Starting with the previous figure, angle SCA is phi. Hence, angle ACE is 90 minus phi. Extend the line segment from the point W to point A, intersecting the meridian line at point Z dash. It is the zenith. The angle CWZ dash is 90 minus phi by 2. Now in the right angle triangle Z dash CW, tan 90 minus phi by 2 is equal to CZ dash upon CW. Therefore, CZ dash, which is the part of the diameter of the prime vertical towards zenith, is equal to CW, radius r of the equator, into tan 90 minus phi divided by 2. Now, angle NCB is phi. Hence, the angle ECB is 90 plus phi. Draw a line segment from the point W and passing through the point B to the point N dash on the meridian line. Hence the angle CW N dash is 90 plus phi divided by 2. In the right angle triangle N dash CW, tan 90 plus phi divided by 2 is equal to CN dash upon CW. Therefore, CN dash is equal to CW into tan 90 plus phi divided by 2. Cn dash, which is the part of the diameter of the prime vertical towards nadir, is equal to CW, which is the radius r of the equator, into tan 90 plus phi divided by 2. Z dash N dash is the diameter of the prime vertical. Find out the diameter of Z dash N dash using this formula. Draw a circle with the diameter Z dash N dash on the meridian line. In the next video, I will show how to project azimuth circles. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates on the upcoming videos.